Thank you very much, and welcome to The Tonight Show. Let's get to the news and jokes. Well, guys, it was just another crazy week, and tonight, President Trump did his first on-camera interview since he got COVID. Let's see who he decided to talk to.
We have just learned this morning that President Trump is set to appear in his first on-camera interview tonight and will apparently get a medical evaluation, not by the White House physician, but by a doctor on Fox News, according to the cable network.
That's right. Trump got a remote medical evaluation. It's like a Zoom physical. It was a tough choice for TV viewers. Yankee playoff game, NBA Finals, or hearing about a 74-year-old man's body. Can we watch all three? No, he can't. The medical exam on TV, I feel like Trump's one step away from taking a COVID test on Maury. You do not have the virus. I'm sure the guy who evaluated Trump is qualified. I mean, to be a Fox News doctor, you have to go to a medical school in Queens for a whole 3 hours. It was really bizarre television, especially when Trump told the doctor, might as well check my prostate while I'm here. I mean, just, oof. At least Trump seemed like he was in a playful mood during the exam. When the doctor said he would need a sample of his blood, urine, and stool, Trump gave him his underwear.
Come on, it's a classic. It's a classic.
I've never really seen him laugh, Trump, right? What does he laugh like? Like a silent laugh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, like a Muppet, like.
Or maybe like a robot, like
Or maybe like, you know, some people laugh like Ernie too, like.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. Actually, I was impressed with the doctor. He remembered every single word Trump told him to say. That's right, Trump was given a virtual medical exam on TV. I guess that explains this promo I saw.
Tonight, President Donald J. Trump undergoes a complete physical on Tucker Carlson Tonight. That's why you should watch CNN. Check your local listings.
Yeah, the last few days, Trump has been all over Fox News. Last night, he called into Sean Hannity. At this point, even regular Fox News viewers are like, this guy again? By now, anytime Trump calls Fox News, it comes up as potential spam. During the interview, Trump didn't sound too good. Take a listen to this.
Oh, and I think the first debate, on the first debate, they oscillated the mic. Absentee is okay, because absentee ballots, absentee ballots.
Wow. That's great. The President of the United States is slowly turning into the Mucinex monster. A second later, Trump was like, I'm sorry, hairball. Hannity then tried asking Trump if he'd been tested for COVID, and Trump wouldn't give a clear answer. Listen.
Have you been tested recently?
Yeah, I just saw the doctors today. They think I'm in great shape. I'm in great shape.
Did you test negative?
Good shape or not. And I'll tell you, I took this Regeneron.
Have you had a test since your diagnosis a week ago?
Well, what we're doing is probably the test will be tomorrow, but they found very little infection or virus, if any.
So the answer is no. His doctor will only examine him on TV from 200 miles away. I think it's safe to say that he's still positive. It's like being asked, how'd your history test go? And you go, yes. Later in the interview, Hannity asked Trump what he thought would happen under Biden's environmental plan. He had a pretty interesting response.
I mean, they literally want to take buildings down and rebuild them with tiny little windows, okay? Little windows so you can't see out, so you can't see the light.
Rebuild them with tiny little windows so you cannot see light. Is he attacking the Democrats or writing a haiku? I'm worried about Trump, but later he was like, to the window, to the wall, till the sweat dropped down my hairballs. It didn't stop there. Trump then talked about California's water situation. Listen to this.
Look at where California is going to have to ration water. You know why? Because they send millions of gallons of water out to sea, out to the Pacific, because they want to take care of certain little tiny fish that aren't doing very well without water, to be honest with you.
Nah, man.
That's real. That's real. No, it's real. No, that is exact.
This is the new do not
No, I
read.
said
Y'all
that
did
is his thing. I swear.
There's no way.
Tiny windows, tiny fish. He sounds like those YouTube videos of kids after they get their wisdom teeth out. Then today, Trump called into Rush Limbaugh's radio show for 2 hours. And at one point, he dropped an F-bomb while talking about Iran. Listen to this.
And Iran knows that, and they've been put on notice. If you around with us, if you do something bad to us, we are going to do things to you that have never been done before.
Yeah, when Mike Pence heard Trump curse, he took 2 flies and stuck them in his ears. Not today, Satan! Well, Trump says he's feeling better, and doctors are crediting his recovery to some advanced treatments, including a steroid. But I don't know if it's the best choice for Trump. Take a look at this ad I saw the other night.
Reclaim the day with dexamethasone. Dexamethasone has been used to treat moderate to severe cases of COVID-19. While effective, dexamethasone isn't for everyone. You shouldn't take dexamethasone if you have a Twitter account, can make a phone call and suddenly your voice is on TV, or if you can order a nuclear launch. Side effects may include mask intolerance, thinking you're immune to diseases you currently have, chronic all-caps syndrome, sudden rambling interviews on Hannity, and Infinitan. Dexamethasone. Oh yeah, your boy be trippin'.
Hey, this is going viral. A woman shared a picture of a frozen tuna steak that looks like President Trump. Take a look at this. See if you could see the... Trump saw that and was like,
Now that's the tan I'm looking for.
Oh, I saw that a pet owner wanted to keep her dogs in the yard, but she also wanted them to see her come home. So she came up with this solution.
Hi.
That's what happens when you're trapped in your house for 7 months. She's like, I'm going to go make some dog holes in the fence. Honey, any headway with the job search? No, but I made a couple dog holes in the... And finally, these days it can feel like there's a lot going wrong with the world, and sometimes you just wish you could make it right. Well, luckily, we're able to do that here at The Tonight Show. It's time for This Week Made Right. Check it out.
Shockingly, President Trump has left Walter Reed Hospital to ride around in his SUV. Oh, wait a second. Okay, yep, that's probably for the best.
That's right. After a heated presidential debate last week, the VP candidates have agreed to sit in silence and smile at one another. Let's take a look.
Shocker for the Patriots this week. Cam Newton is out with COVID. He could be done for the season.
Oh, wait a second, Al. Not so fast.
Well, look at that. It's Cam Newton.
Is a great insult to the men and women who serve in law enforcement. And I want everyone to know who puts on the uniform.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and